everyone. Today we will be making a Taiwanese dish called Taiwan. First we're going to start with pouring 2.5 liters of water into this really big bowl. One liter. Two liters. Half a liter. Right now we are going to take these watermelon blocks and put them in this 2.5 liters of water. It's supposed to be about 600 grams. And then we're gonna go boil it. On the fire. Yeah. And now we're just gonna let it sit and boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm gonna stir it around, make sure it doesn't overflow, and wait till it's melted. Right now it's really hot, boiling. I'm gonna stir it and make sure all the chunks are melted. If they're not, then make sure the heat is still on and let it melt for some more time. Okay. So over here I have the agar soaked in water for 2 hours. I'm gonna drain it and put it in. So right now the mixture is in. I put it at lowest heat and mix it like every 10 to 15 minutes. So right now all the agar is dissolved, and when it's cooled down, it will become a jelly jello thingy. So you could always put it in a mold, but I'm not going to because I'm lazy and it's hard. So yeah, okay. So right here, this is finally done. It took about 2 hours, something like that. It's a solid thing. I'm gonna check the bottom if it's solid. Just use your sense of touch. You should be able to do that to see if it's solid on the bottom. And then now we'll serve. Cut. Delicious.